Hello everyone, my name is Spandan. Today I am going to show you how to install Python in both Windows and Mac. So let's get started. First we need to install the Python and then its interpreter. For that, if you are on Mac, you can use terminal based installation using Homebrew. To download Homebrew, if it is missing, you can use this command if you have never downloaded Homebrew before. Then you need to install Python by typing brew install Python. Then after that you have to check the version here. In my case this is 3.14.2, which is the stable release for 2026. Now in Windows you are going to use the same installation in Windows using winget. I have Windows here. You can use UI based installation or you can install using PowerShell. I will show you PowerShell. Here you need to go on Windows PowerShell. Then you need to type winget install and this. Then you will go for Y. It will install the package for Python. Now once it is installed, you can use this command to install Python 3.14 using this 3.14.2 as you can see. Then after that you need to type Python version, get the Python version for this. As you can see, this is 3.14.2 and Python has been successfully installed here. Second is UI based installation. So second is UI based installation. For that you need to go to python.org, hover on download and click on this. It will download Python installation here. You need to check this box as it is necessary and start installing. Setup was successful. Close. Now you will need an IDE for this. IDE means Integrated Development Environment, which can convert any code into machine code and then we can get the output. So IDE, to install IDE, you can use either PyCharm or either VS Code. So let's install both of them first. Here you can go for PyCharm download. You will head on to this link and click on downloads. This will take some time. Here we have completed installation of PyCharm. If prompted, click yes. Then next, click next. If you want, you can create desktop shortcut. Click yes and install. This will also take some moment. So we have done PyCharm setup already. You can run PyCharm after closing this window. Now you will get welcome to PyCharm. Start in one click. You can click on new script. And here you can create various files. Here you need to click on plus Python file main.py. Then you can write your code. Now since we have already done downloading PyCharm, we will now download VS Code in our device. So we will start downloading VS Code. Let's get started. In VS Code you need to go for VS Code download. If you have Windows, you can go for Windows. I have Windows right here. Look here, Windows. You will click on Windows 10 11 and you will open the file. You will click I accept the agreement, read full agreement and then click accept. Then click on next. Click on next. If you want, you can also create icon here. Not necessary. You can install here now. Extracting files. Now since the file extraction is complete, you can launch VS Studio Code. Here you need to download the extensions. Python you will download here. Also you can download GitHub Copilot. Then you will go on file, new file, Python file, and then you can write any Python code such as print hello coder. You will run here the file. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, you can put in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye.